such a stories have. According to it also this covered. Okay? So Hoti Diṭṭhikathā Paramarana. Diṭṭhikathā means essential beings. The beings will be born in this life. Some people assumed being in this life surely will be born. Because he is eternal, not annihilation. Therefore, being after death will be born, after death will be born. According to eternal lesson, he says. This is one view. It's okay. Then another reject it. No. Oh, na hoti. Na means no. In India, nahin. Sri Lanka, ne. No, ne. Na. Nahin. So, na hoti Sayadaw Dr. After death, the beings will not be born. This is annihilation. He accepted this view. So, this life alone. After that, no more. Annihilation. The second point. So, first point, second point. Only one part. Therefore, Nandamālābhivaṃsa Diṭṭhi. Nandamālābhivaṃsa Diṭṭhi. Then, hoti cha, nacha hoti. Hoti cha. This is like the Christianity also, Hinduism. God is eternal. The others are not eternal. Hinduism, God is permanent. Creators permanent. Creatures are not permanent. Therefore, hoti cha nacha hoti. If the being is creator, it will be born permanent because it will exist. If a creature will not exist, so hoti cha nacha hoti will exist or not exist. This is called ekacca sasatika. Ekacca means sun. Sastam is eternal. The view hold some eternal, not all eternal. Only some eternal, others not eternal. This belongs to ekacca sasatika. So,
this view takes both the aspects, right? It is not one another. It is taking both the sasata.
Yeah, sure.
Can it be taken as Andagatika?
Yeah. Mostly these names are maybe because of this right view from right view. One view is a right view. This is a wrong view is one part. Right view, wrong view. It's okay. Views, not only complete views, only partly, because of joining together. So it's a 50-50. Eternal is 50, not a full account. Eternal is 50, annihilation is 50. Therefore 50-50. So he is full of eternal, full of annihilations, one part. This. So okay. Full of is one thing, 50-50 is another thing. So, if it's so eternal, Andagaika. Yeah, must consider in this way. You see that? Full counts are one thing. Half a counts another. 50-50. Then next one. The last one. Neva hoti, nana hoti. So reject. Neva hoti means eternal. It is reject eternal lesson. Nana-hoti means reject annihilation. Both are rejected. What is his view? His view is called Amara Vikipa. Amara Vikipa. Amara Vikipa means he's always avoid. Avoid. What is someone blame? So he's afraid of others' blame. Therefore avoid. Both the side reject. But never hold the right views. Only just avoid. This is Sanjaya Pilata Buddha. Sanjaya Pilata Buddha. Why he Sanjaya? He said, according to Ajata Satu, he is the most foolish man. Ajata Satu is blamed, you see. Sanjaya Pilata, he is the most foolish teacher among the 6 teachers. Because he cannot decide one thing, always avoid. Why he avoid? Commentaries explain. Confused. He confused. Then another means he afraid of blaming. He afraid of blame by others. Anuvarabhaya, Musavarabhaya, Mandata Momuhadasa. He reject. No? Given the 4 reasons. Anuvarabhaya. He afraid of accusation. How do I say? Your point, your view is not correct. The people will play in this way. Why? So and so. Your view is not correct. They were accused. From the being afraid of accusation, he never decide. He never keep the statement. He never keep a statement. Then Musavarabhaya. He is afraid of telling untruth, telling lie. Afraid of telling lie. Because if his statement is wrong, if it's wrong, it will be Musavara. So the Musavara means demerit. Therefore, he is afraid of Musavara also. Telling lie. Mandata, he is a sluggish, no knowledge. Momuhata, he is confused. Ajanta Satu decided he is the most foolish teacher. You see. Therefore, Amara Vikipa, referring to Amara Vikipa. Nowadays it is called dialectic. Dialectic.
So, with regard to Sattva Diṭṭhi, when we say talk about ones who understand the doctrine but not practice vipassana, so can we say instead of having Diṭṭhi, they have Sanya Vipallasa and Chitta Vipallasa?
Yeah. Sanya Vipallasa, Diṭṭhi Vipallasa. You see, these are Chitta Vipallasa is this originally most people have minds always associated with wrong view. Therefore, even not concerning view, Chitta is seen not in public. This illusions have. Huh?
So when we read like Jataka and all, sometimes we have that someone is traveling.
Mm.
So this is, can we say as Sanya Vipallasa or Chitta Vipallasa instead of Diṭṭhi Vipallasa? Because Diṭṭhi Vipallasa is very deep.
This, I think it is mix, you see. Some people may be Sanya Vipallasa because they perceive in other ways. Because of Sanya Vipassana, Citta Vipassana becomes stronger. For Buddhist people, maybe view is understand about that, but view is not so strong about the Sanya Vipassana. Depending on story, not up to Diṭṭhi Vipassana. Actually, it does not accept atta. Does not accept atta. But by acceptance of karma and karma rasa, by acceptance of samsara, so such a view is coming to be. Therefore, Sanya Vipassana, Citta Vipassana, not Diṭṭhi Vipassana. This is my opinion. What is the one? So, according to this metta here, Rupan itiwa marana dhamma. So, only in this life, metta is subject to death. Metta is subject to death. The same way, Vedana itiwa marana dhamma. No? The nature of, within the natures of death. Dhamma means here nature, sabhava, marana, death, nature of death. So Rupa has the natures of death. Diṭṭhikathā kāsapeda, hotipi, Diṭṭhatipi, upachatipi, nebadatipi. Here given. Hoti means general point is given. No, general point is given. Hoti. Diṭṭhati means Diṭṭhati. Stand. Ever stand. Remain. Ever stand. Hoti means general. No. Diṭṭhati means remained eternal. Remain. Referring to eternal. Eternal means existence means standing forever. Diṭṭhati. Then another is upachatipi. Upachati means beings are different ways. Different way they are born. Upachati means commentary explanation. Upachatis are according to those who are born of egg, andaja, born of egg, born in mother's womb. Okay, chalabhuja, andaja chalabhuja, referring to upachati means arise. Arise in the egg, rise in the mother's womb. So, upachati, rise. Nebadati means appearance. Nebadati appearance means sansedaja obabatika, referring to these two yonis. Born in a human deity, born make appearance, by appearance. So, obabatika, according to it. Nebadati means patupava, appearance, appeared, and that's all. Appeared. Diṭṭhatipi, upachatipi, nebadatipi. So regarding to exist means he stand forever. That is also exist. He will arise. He will be born in the egg. There is upachati. He will appear in the body, full account. This is Sandereja and Upapatika, Nebadati. So accordingly these terms are used. So misinterpretation thus is a wrong view in this way. Vedana, Sanya, Sankhara, Vijnana is the same way. So okay. Now second, Nahodi Diṭṭhikathā Brahmarana. Rupan itiwa marana dhamma. Metta is only in this life. It is the nature of death. Diṭṭhikathā kayasa beda. So the beings, no? beings after solution of his body, will ceased or despair. Na hoti Diṭṭhikathā Brahmana. Osai vinasati. No, ceased, will ceased, and so vinasati, destroyed. That is na hoti Diṭṭhikathā Brahmana. In the same way, hoti cha naja hoti. Rupan ideva marana dhamman Diṭṭhikathā kayasa beda. After that, naja hoti cha naja hoti. This is not an explanation here. Then Neva hoti nana hoti Diṭṭhikathā Brahmaranadi. Yeah. Rupan ideva marana dhamma ka Diṭṭhikathā kayasa beda Brahmarana. Neva hoti nana hoti. Here also not explanations because of regarding to first and second explanation. Commentary explanations, the fourth is Amaravekkhipika. The third is Ekaja Sastika Vara. In this way. Andagahika Diṭṭhi. It's okay? Now finish Andagahika Diṭṭhi. Easy. Now the other points will be not so difficult. Will be regarding to Diṭṭhi. But Bhava Diṭṭhi, Viva Diṭṭhi, regarding to that, there are some of suttas are mentioned. That point is important. No? Wrong. Otherwise, the Diṭṭhikathā is the last one is important to remove the wrong view.